Just a short drive from Bhubaneswar, hidden among the emerald hills of Odisha, lies a destination where nature, history, mythology, and spirituality come together in a truly unforgettable experience. Welcome to Mahavinayak. One of Odisha's most fascinating yet underrated heritage destinations. Located near Chandikhol in Jajpur district, Mahavinayak sits atop the scenic Varunavant Hill, a 7-kilometer-long hill range believed to be mentioned in the Odia Mahabharata of Sharla Das. The journey itself is magical. As you leave the busy highway behind, dense forests, fresh mountain air, and the sounds of nature gradually welcome you into a completely different world. This is an escape into Odisha's spiritual landscape. Historical accounts and local narratives speak of the ancient kingdom of Darpanagar, which is believed to have existed in this region. Now comes the most fascinating part. Why is Mahavinayak different from every other temple in Odisha? Because here, devotees believe that 5 major Hindu deities, Ganesha, Shiva, Vishnu, Surya, and Durga, are united in a single sacred form. This rare spiritual concept has made Mahavinayak a unique pilgrimage destination for generations. Mahavinayak offers beautiful natural surroundings, sacred water springs, peaceful trekking routes, and vibrant festivals like Shivratri and Ganesh Chaturthi. Whether you're a spiritual seeker, a history enthusiast, a photographer, or simply a traveler looking for hidden gems, Mahavinayak has something special to offer. So the next time you're exploring Odisha, don't just pass through Chandikhol. Take that turn towards Mahavinayak. Because some destinations are meant to be visited, and some destinations are meant to be experienced.